Hello, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to change your Discord server image. In this tutorial, I'm using the web version of Discord. At the time of this recording, this interface is the same as the Windows desktop version. For the mobile version, please check out my other tutorial. Let's get into the tutorial. Click on the server that you want to change its image. For me, it is AS. To the right of my server name, there is an arrow key. Click on it will bring up a menu. Click on Server Settings. Over here is where you can upload your server image. Notice that your server image has to be at least 128 by 128. Click on it to upload your servered image. Adjust the size if needed, then click on Apply. Click on Save Changes. Click on the X to X out the window, and that's it. If you have found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up to let me know. Your feedback is always appreciated. Thank you and have a great day. Bye!